Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. I made a chrome reflection generator. It'll be in the description below. After you download it, go to generators, click templates, generators, and it's right here. It's made to use in Fusion, not on the edit page. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. In order to put any kind of a shader or texture or anything on a 3D text, you have to get a replace material node, and then you can plug it into it. And it will generate it, make it chrome. If you click on it, you have some controls over here. Get a reflection, strength, and X, Y, and Z will move it. What it is a picture in there. I load that up in the first viewer, and you can change that picture easily. Click on the browse button here. And select whatever you want. It'll load right in, and it'll give it a little different look on the chrome. If you just want chrome, turn the reflection strength all the way down, and you have intensity and exponent. You can see it over here in viewer 1 more. Now we'll put another object in the viewer. A torus. And with the 3D objects, you just connect it right into the shape. It doesn't look right on everything. It didn't look right on the cube to me, but other things it has. Again, by default, it has this one. Hope you guys can see this okay. Well, like I said, it'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.